At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an ice cream company can be a sweet venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the local demand for ice cream. Identify your target market, competition, and potential locations for your business. 2. Business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy in a comprehensive business plan. This will serve as your roadmap for success and may also be required if you plan to seek financing. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business with the appropriate local and state authorities. Obtain any necessary permits and licenses required to operate a food business in your area. 4. Location. Select a suitable location for your ice cream shop with high foot traffic, visibility, and accessibility. Consider factors like rent, lease terms, and proximity to complementary businesses. 5. Suppliers. Find reliable suppliers for high-quality ice cream ingredients, cones, toppings, and other necessary equipment. Establish relationships with wholesalers to ensure consistent supply and favorable pricing. 6. Menu development. Create a unique and appealing menu of ice cream flavors, sundaes, shakes, and other treats. Experiment with innovative flavors and ingredients to set your offerings apart from competitors. 7. Equipment. Invest in commercial-grade ice cream making equipment, freezers, display cases, and other kitchen supplies. Ensure that your equipment meets health and safety standards and can handle the volume of production you anticipate. 8. Hiring staff. Recruit and hire experienced staff members who are passionate about customer service and knowledgeable about ice cream. Provide training on food handling, hygiene, and your menu offerings to maintain quality standards. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your ice cream shop. Utilize social media, local advertising, promotions, and events to increase visibility and drive foot traffic. 10. Grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to generate buzz and excitement around your new ice cream business. Offer special promotions, discounts, and free samples to encourage people to visit your shop. 11. Customer experience. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and creating a welcoming atmosphere in your ice cream shop. Encourage feedback from customers and use it to continually improve your products and services. 12. Expansion and growth. As your ice cream business grows, consider expanding your offerings, opening additional locations, or partnering with other businesses for distribution. Continuously innovate and adapt to meet the changing needs and preferences of your customers. Starting an ice cream company requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.